Hello students, today I am teaching you new topic that is circular flow of income in two sector economy. In earlier videos I have already taught you definition of economics, types of economics, microeconomics, macroeconomics and various topics I have already covered. If you have not watched my all those videos, I request you to watch all those videos, and I also request you to please like, subscribe and share my all those videos so that many students can get benefited from these videos of economics. Now we are going to start new topic, that is circular flow of income in two sector economy. In this, I will explain you how income and goods and services flow in an economy from one sector to another sector. As you see, we have assumed here that there are only two sectors in the economy: production sector and consumer sector. What is the circular flow of income? The circular flow of income is a model that shows how money, goods and services and factors of production flow between different sectors of the economy in a continuous and unending cycle. Means the main property of this is continuous cycle, means income earned by one sector becomes expenditure for another and flows back again. Two flows in an economy. There will be two flows: real flows of goods and services, and another flow is of money income. Then there are two flows in an economy, and this is the foundation of advanced national income concepts, etc. Now, assumptions of two sector model. Here we will take some assumptions. Only two sectors exist. Although in real world there are not two sectors exist, another sectors are also there. Means economy is divided into the government sector is also there and foreign sector is also there. But in this model we have assumed that there are only two sectors exist. The first one is household sector or consumer sector, and the another one is production sector or firms. No government, no foreign trade, these all sectors are not exist. In this model we have assumed this. Household own all factors, means all factors of production. All factors of production, you know, land, labor, capital, enterprise, these all factors of production are held by the household sector only. And firms produce all output goods and services. All goods and services are produced by the firms. There is no saving or investment. Beside this, it will be a closed economy. Closed economy means there is no foreign trade. And in this model there will always be income equal to expenditure equal to value of output. This similarity always exists. Now two sectors. Which are two sectors? Household sector and firm sector. Household sector own all factors of production: land, labor, capital. These all supply these factors to firms in the factor market. Through factor market, these all factors of production will be supplied to the firms, and these all factors of production will earn factor income. Land will earn in form of rent, labor will earn in form of wages, capital in form of interest, and enterprise will earn as a profit. Then these factor income will always will get household sector, and these payments are made by the firms or our production sector. Beside this, spend their whole income in buying goods and services from firms, means there is no saving or investment. This type of things are not there. Whatever income is earned by the factor of production are spent upon the goods and services produced by the firms. Then the firms hire factor of production from household in the factor market. make factor payments, rent, wages, these all payments are made by firms, use the factors to produce goods and services, sell output to households in the product market, earning revenue. Then the real flow, what type of real flow? Physical flow. Physical flow will be household sector will provide factors of production to the firms in form of factors of production, land, labor, capital, enterprise, and firms will provide goods and services to the household sector. Then how money will flow? Money, firms will make payments to the household sector in form of rent, wages, interest and profit. Then the firms will pay payments to the households in form of this, and household sector will spend their money, and whatever money is got will be made in form of consumer expenditure for payments of goods and services to the firms. Then the money flows from firms to household sector, and household sector will again provide payments to the firms. Like this, money flows in the economy. This is the complete circular flow. In this it is physical flow and money flow. All these two flows are shown in this diagram. Factors of production are supplied by the household sector to the firms, and firms will provide income to the household sector. Like this, firms will expand their money and for goods and services, and they will provide they will pay the payments to the firms to purchase goods and services. Like this, physical flow and money flow will be there in the economy. Then significance of circular flow model. This explains interdependence, means physical both the sectors are interdependent upon each other. Money sector and household sector and production sector, both the sectors are interdependent. Basis for measuring national income, it is the basis for the measurement of national income. Then this illustrate always equilibrium. Then it is the foundation for advanced model. This is the foundation for, it is very simplified model, and this is the foundation for advanced model. Now in summary, I can say that there are two sector of model, two sectors in the economy, household sector and firms. Real flow will be of factors of production flow to firms, and goods and services flows to households. Then money flows, factor income flows to households, and consumption expenditure flows to firms. And in result, continuous circular flow where income will always be equal to expenditure, will always be equal to the value of output, with no leakages or injection. There will not be any kind of leakages or injections in the economy. Then this is the circular flow of income in two sector economy. If you have any confusion in this explanation, you can write in the comment box whatever confusion you have. And also please, I request you to like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you very much.